You are about to discover 10 of the most spectacular galaxy collisions ever witnessed by astronomers. Cosmic crashes that have reshaped the universe itself. Cosmic crashes so violent they reshaped the universe itself. Events that created stars, black holes, and entirely new galaxies. These are not disasters. They are the universe's greatest creative force, and we are lucky enough to witness them from afar. Number 10 is the Antennae Galaxies. Two spiral galaxies in a deadly embrace, 60 million light years away. Their long tidal tails stretch across space like glowing wings of fire, spanning over 500,000 light years end to end. They have been colliding for hundreds of millions of years, locked together by gravity in a slow motion cosmic catastrophe. The collision has triggered by the birth of over 1,000 brilliant young star clusters, explosive stellar nurseries lit up by the crash. These new stars form 100 times faster than in our own galaxy. A starburst ignited purely by the violence of the collision. When Hubble first photographed the antennae, it revealed a firework display that changed how we understand star formation forever. Number 9 is the Mice Galaxies. Two galaxies 290 million light years away, named for the extraordinary tails trailing behind them. Their long tails of stars look exactly like two mice running away from each other after a cosmic chase. Each tail is made up of billions of actual stars torn from their galaxies by the gravitational pull of the collision. The tails stretch over 300,000 light years into the void, one of the longest tidal structures ever photographed. Computer simulations show these galaxies will loop back, fall toward each other again, and eventually merge into a single massive elliptical galaxy. Gravity always wins in the end. Number 8 is the Cartwheel Galaxy. One of the most dramatic collisions results in the known universe. A smaller galaxy smashed straight through the center of a larger one, like a stone thrown into perfectly still water. The impact sent a shockwave rippling outward in a perfect ring, triggering violent star formation all around its expanding edge. That outer ring spans 150,000 light years and is still expanding today, blazing with hot blue newborn stars. Inside the ring, the galaxy's original structure was completely shattered and rebuilt into something that looks nothing like either original galaxy. James Webb recently revealed hidden star clusters still forming inside the Cartwheel's dust lens, containing and billions years after the crash. James Webb recently revealed hidden star clusters still forming inside the Cartwheel's dust lens, creation continuing a billion years after the crash. Number 7 is the Bullet Cluster. Two massive galaxy clusters colliding at 6 million miles per hour, one of the fastest ever recorded. Galaxy clusters are the largest gravitationally bound structures in the universe. When two collide, the scale defies imagination. But the dark matter did not slow down at all. It passes straight through the collision, separately cleanly from the normal matter. Number 7. The Bullet Clusters. Two massive galaxy clusters colliding at 6 million miles per hour, one of the fastest ever recorded. Galaxy clusters are the largest gravitationally bound structures in the universe. When two collide, the scale defies imagination. The collision was so energetic that hot gas between galaxies was visibly shown, slowed down, and lit up in X-rays. That superheated gas created the iconic bullet shape, glowing in pink as it was torn and separated by the force of impact. This gave scientists the strongest direct evidence that dark matter is real, invisible but measurable by the gravity it leaves behind. Number 6 is Stephan's Quintet. Five galaxies crowded together in one of the most famous deep space images ever captured. Four of five are actively interacting, colliding, and merging in a slow motion cosmic pileup spanning millions of years. The shockwave between two of them has created a region of superheated gas stretching over 100,000 light years. James Webb's very first released image features Stephan's Quintet, revealing hidden gas streams, star formation, and the fingerprints of dark matter. Number 5 is ARP 220. At 250 million light years away, it is the closest ultra-luminous infrared galaxy to Earth. Two spiral galaxies merge here and triggers a starburst so fast it produces more energy than 200 billion suns. Our 220 outshines our entire Milky Way by a factor of more than a trillion in infrared light. Yet most of that light is completely invisible to the eye, buried behind thick walls of collisional dust and gas. Inside its core, stars are forming at 200 times the rate of our own galaxy, a furious, relentless engine of creation. Studying R220 helps scientists understand why galaxies in the early universe could appear so impossibly bright from so far away. Number 4. NGC 6240, a butterfly-shaped galaxy merger hiding something no other galaxy on this list can claim. Deep inside this wreckage, two supermassive black holes, each billions of times the mass of our Sun, are circling each other. When they finally merge, the release of gravitational waves will be one of the most powerful single events in the observable universe. Scientists believe this kind of dual black hole merger is how the largest black holes in the cosmos grew so massive. Number 3 is the future of collisions of our own Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy, and it is absolutely inevitable. Right now, Andromeda is falling toward us at 250,000 miles per hour. In 4.5 billion years, there is no escape. When they meet, the two galaxies would not simply crash. They will pass through each other, separate and fall back together again. Over billions of years, they will dance, spiraling inward until they finally merge into one giant elliptical galaxy. During the collision, the night sky will be ablaze with billions of new stars, a light show lasting hundreds of millions of years. The final result is sometimes called Milkomeda, a new galaxy born from the death of two spirals we call home. Number 2 and 1 are still unfolding in the early universe, revealed to us by the James Webb Space Telescope. Just 800 million years after the Big Bang, galaxies were already colliding, merging, and building structures bigger than anything predicted. Webb found massive galaxy mergers happening so early in cosmic history that our models of galaxy formation could not explain them. They are not just ancient mergers, they are the engines that built the first giant galaxies, the ancestors of everything we see today. The most ancient known collision site shows multiple galaxies already locked together just 600 million years after the universe began. Every model we had before Webb assumed the early universe was quieter. The discoveries are rewriting the story from the very beginning. The most mind-blowing truth: these cosmic collisions are not destroying galaxies, they are creating new ones, new stars and new possibilities. From the Antennae to the earliest James Webb Telescope mergers, every crash leaves the cosmos richer, stranger and more extraordinary than before. If this blows your mind, hit subscribe and turn on notification. Commit which collision amazed you most. See you among the stars. Take care.